Run come in panda one here. Dwayne say him a keep grammar class. Him say them grudge him because him can't put him words together. Also, pan Dwayne live. Him say Matlock look better than Patsy. I know me say so. Him say so. Watch it and see.
Look better than Matt nose big. Not tell no lie, Matt look better than Patsy. Only thing Matt only part wrong with Matt like I'm big nose. Dwayne reel me out. Donna Heron, big up your damn self, Donna Heron. Right, that's a good girl. Right, that's so. Dwayne, that isn't. Yeah, backside Judy, tell Patsy to leave me alone. Why did Patsy come on my page? Come tell me, say, oh, fool me. Who fool you, Patsy? Patsy, who fool you? Feel be looking like a penguin. And I can't go and see you stay good. Girl, go sit down. The audacity. The nerve. See, every time I try to change, them always want to jam back in the confusion lane. Like, Father God, I let them fight me so hard. I look at things that me not coward. Anyways, guys, enough of that. Absolutely, Professor Fletcher in the house, right? That's how my mother said I go to school for taking my education so I can teach some of them like a vagabonds up on Facebook. The art of shade. Whoa. Anyways, guys, I know a lot of you have been privy to 13 coming out yesterday and clearing my name. I don't care about nobody else's name. I only care about Dwayne Fletcher's name. Right? That's so. I only care about feminine. Me not care about nobody else. Respectfully, because them don't care about me. So why am I going to care about them for? Remember, so them say me Down syndrome. Remember, so them say me disabled. But I can construct damn good sentences. No word of a lie. I feel like every time I draw for the damn live, a character come out of me. I don't know. It's this live, you know. It's this live. This live brings out my split personality. It brings out the dad, some daddy version of me at times.
Like up the video, share it now.
Facebook, why are you doing these things to me? Facebook, why? Face social media and have good people or people who rallies for them left, right, and on go sit down. I say, my Down syndrome. I have all for course, you know. On the can't hold it pan me because I'm disabled and I'm a Down syndrome. So don't hold it pan me. I remember say I have split personality. One day I'm alright, another day I have no behavior. One day I change, another day I have no behavior. One day I want to go the right way, and another day I say, frig this, I can't bother with them sin because people can walk over me, I can't bother with it. To each his own. Anyways, I feel like I'm deflecting. We are here to... Yes, my black, everybody who come and disrespect me are Nick's Jack. I can't pronounce that. Nick Jack. I say I pronounce it Nick's Jack. Yeah, my black, them deserve to be blocked. You know when I realize some of them people on social media, them feel like say, them can come on my page, come bully me, come try and tear me down, but yet so them can't go other people page, go do the same thing like, oh, can I really so live in